This is Rinathi English Medium School, and these are grade 3 students Samruddhi and Smaranika, and their conversation topic is dance. Start.
Good morning, Samruddhi. Good morning, Smaranika. What is your hobby? My hobby is dancing. I also like dancing. I remember in last year you did acting of Shivaji Maharaj dance. That was memorable moment. Can you please once again perform me? Yes. रोज एक जखम प्राची रे तरी हरलो नाही बाजी रे दुश्मना पाहू नको अंत माझा कारण माझ्यातही लपलाय शिवाजी कारण माझ्यातही लपलाय शिवाजी तुमच्यात आमच्यात नवे नवे आपल्या सगळ्यांमध्येच राज शिवाजी आहेत पण कुठे ऐका तर मग आजही समाजात कळवळ असणारे लोक आहेत व आपल्या आईला जिजाऊचे स्थान देणारे लोक आहेत हेच गुण आपल्याला घ्यायचे गरजेचे आहे तेव्हा होतील राजे शिवाजी होण्यासाठी अजून काय करावे लागेल पाठीवरचं दप्तर टाकून ढाल घ्यायची गरज नाही हातातला मोबाईल किंवा पेन सोडून तलवार घ्यायची गरज नाही बाईक किंवा सायकल सोडून घोड्यावर बसण्याची गरज नाही मग कसं काय बनू शकता राजे शिवाजी शी म्हणजे शिकायचं खूप खूप शिकायचं वा म्हणजे वागायचं चांगलं वागायचं जी म्हणजे जिंकायचं प्रत्येक गोष्टीवर मात करून जिंकायचं मग तुम्ही सुद्धा बनू शकता राजे शिवाजी व्हेरी नाईस यू ऑल्सो टेक द Adivasi tribe. In that role, you feel very happy? Yes, I enjoyed that role. First time I did such role on the big stage. I was new in the class. Although teacher given me role of pride. Yes, you was new in the class, but within a few days, you made friendship with everyone and brave friendly. Principal sir always said you Adivasi. And you Chinna. In this year, we performed 2 songs, one of Ganpati and another is Vithal. In the Ganpati formation, we are very hard. But Wale ma'am, Rupali ma'am, Vaishnavi ma'am take on more and more practice every day. But every time someone was making mistake. In Vithal song, boys were making mistake. Which dance you like most? I like both dance. Which step you like most? In Ganpati song, I like Shank formation. Which step you like most? I like Tal step in Vithal dance. Which step was very difficult for you? In which I have to sit on shoulder. That step was very difficult for me. Some step was very difficult. You remember how teacher was teaching? Yes, I remember teacher was teaching like 1, 2, 3, 4 technique. Due to the 1, 2 counting, we remember the step. Yes, on the stage we were enjoying